The reason why I'm using it is because my kids left the interior light on, so my truck is completely dead. It will not start. So I'll show you how to use it here. So it's very simplistic to use. You just plug it into the side here. As you can see, you hit the power button, it tells you the percentage that it's ready to go, and also here as well. And then you basically take your red, of course, is positive, just clamp it on there. Black is negative. You can see there, it's gonna go ahead and jump it. Okay. So once you got it plugged in, fire your vehicle right up just like so. If you guys are looking for a jump starter to keep in your vehicles, this is definitely the one to get. Thumbs up on this one. I'll be ordering a couple more.